Lately, we have been exploring the easiest ways to make free money in crypto by participating in testnet and mining campaigns using our mobile phones. Well, today we'll continue on that part by looking at two projects that could make us good money depending on our activities. Now, don't forget that we have set a target of hitting between 1,000 and 10,000 USD by the end of 2025. And also, nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything is for education and entertainment. The first project is Taker Protocol. The project is a DAO-backed liquidity protocol for NFT assets. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs are coming back in crypto fashion, so I expect the project to do well. Taker Protocol has received $3 million in investment and is backed by Dragonfly and Electric Capital. To farm the Taker Protocol airdrop, I will leave the link for you to sign up for the testnet in the video description. So go to the video description and copy the link there and open your MetaMask wallet. Now navigate to the browser tab, open a new browser page and input and paste the link you copied there. Now the link will take you to this page. What you do next is connect your wallet. Now you will get a prompt to add the Taker Protocol network to your wallet. So just go ahead and accept it and add the network to your wallet. It will automatically be added to your wallet. Now once your wallet is fully connected to the airdrop farming website, what you do is you scroll down to this part of the website. Now because I have already started mining the points, that is why my miner is active and it will shut down in the next 4 hours 51 minutes. Now for you who is just starting, you will see a button here that says activate miner. Now that button is what you will press. Go ahead and press that button to get the miner activated. A prompt will show up on your screen to sign the message, to sign the contract that allows the wallet to activate the miner. So just go ahead and sign the contract or connect or just hit the connect button and to just go ahead and start mining the points for you. Just come back every 24 hours to add or to activate your miner. It's easy and simple. Scroll down towards the bottom and copy your referral link and share it with friends you want to join the testnet campaign. As much people as possible that you bring to the testnet campaign is as much bonus points you will get added for the testnet fees. Decentralized physical infrastructure or DePIN took off in 2024 and continued to ride the wave in 2025. My Grass Network airdrop allocation was worth $350 at all-time high. NodePay also gave me an airdrop worth of $250 at all-time high. Now both Grass and NodePay are DePIN projects that I farmed in 2024. Synthelix AI is an artificial intelligence-powered DePIN platform designed to deliver a scalable, intelligent, and decentralized infrastructure to solve complex real-world problems. The project will be built on the Solana blockchain. Now, the good thing about this project is we already know when the project will be listing on top exchanges, and that date will be in June later this year. The project will have a total token supply of 1 billion tokens and 15% of that supply will go to the community. To get started with farming Synthelix airdrop, I will leave the link to sign up for the testnet in the video description. So all you will do is copy the link in the video description and open your MetaMask wallet on your phone. Now go to the browser tab and open a new browser page. Now what you do is click on at the top and paste the link you just copied. Now once the page is open, what you do is connect your wallet. Choose MetaMask and connect. Confirm the connection and your wallet will be connected. Now when your wallet is connected, all you do is click on the start node button. Click on the start node button. This will now activate the point system and start earning points for you. So let me just show you. Just go ahead and click the start node button, confirm the transaction, and immediately you start earning points. Now what you do is you come back after this timer has elapsed. So you have 24 hours to accumulate as much points as possible. So what you do after 24 hours, you log in again and see if it is still running or not. If it has stopped, just stop it and claim, or just go ahead and claim the points and then start all over again. So that's all you'll be doing. You'll be logging in daily to claim your points and start the node all over again. Now once your node is active, the next thing you do is click on the menu bar, which is at the top right corner, and go to referrals. Now the referrals will bring you to this page. All you do is copy your referral link and share it with your friends. To easily do this, you can just click on tweet your referral link, and then you just copy this link at the bottom. Just copy this link at the bottom and share it with your friends. Whoever gets to sign up, you will get the referral bonus. Now remember, getting in early in testnet and mining campaigns is how we get the best airdrop allocations from projects. So immediately go on and join the testnet campaigns for both projects. My name is Jesse, and in case you have missed it, here is another free airdrop video that could make you an extra $300.